To sketch rectangle in Solidworks, come to rectangle tool. We have 5 methods. The fifth method is parallelogram. So, and it is also similar to rectangle. That's why it is added here. So the first one is corner rectangle. To start the corner rectangle, you just need two reference points, the starting end and the start end corner. So from you click this point, you drag either this side or this side, then this end point you click. That's how to add corner rectangle. You add your smart dimension. So you can just add your dimension. So this one is, let's say, 200. This is let's say 100. So I don't need to add dimension to this, just so that you can be fast about the tutorial. The second one is this, which is you start from origin as center rectangle. You start from origin and then you end your drawing at the corner. So you see, as I'm dragging the side, it is expanding along other sides. So this is the end point. I'm going to click. That's how to draw that one. You can add your dimension also. So this one is another type also. So to use it, you need 3 points. You need to reference 3 points. So I can just pick my first point. You see the preview of which side I can go to. So I can go this side, or this side at any angle. So once I click, I can now drag up. This is going to form the rectangle that we want. Let me try again. Let me demonstrate again. The first one is a point. The second one is forming a line. That is the bottom line of, or the top line of the rectangle. So you can drag up to make the line that you first drew as the bottom line, or you can drag downward to make it at the top line. So now that's how to use that second option. And the third option, you're starting from center to midpoint and to forming your rectangle. So this is the center of our rectangle that I clicked. This side will be one side, and then you see the last one is to define the height of the rectangle. So that's how to use these four options. You can see, if you look closely, you have, for this you have one, two at the edges. For this option you have one at the center, two at the edge, and for this you have one, two, three at three edges. So that's how to, that is, the first point you click will be your first edge here, the second point will be your second edge, and the third point you click will be your third edge. That's what the numbering means. So to draw a parallelogram, if you check closely, you have one, two, three at the edges. That is, the first point will be the first edge point, and the second point will be the second edge point, which will form the line, and the third point will form the what? Parallelogram. So moving your mouse will form the angle. So let me clear the screen. Escape to leave rectangle tool. So I'm deleting what I have on the screen. So click, pick. So the first point here, which is first edge, I want to form a line, second point, and now I have to drag my mouse. So I'm trying to give angle. So once I'm okay, then I click to form the parallelogram. Then I can come to smart dimension, add the angle. So I can also add the dimension of the sides, 800. Okay, this side and this side of parallelogram are equal, so I don't need to add dimension to that side. So can then add um, dimension of this side, either this way or this way. If I try to add this way, then I'm trying to give position of this side. So let me add it to be 300. So now this parallelogram is fully defined because before I added this 300 mm, let me undo it. So we have an error. Just delete this. That's what is causing the error. This can still be moved outward. You see, that is, it is not fully defined. So to fully define it, I need to add distance. So the distance, let me make it 300. So now that's how to fully define parallelogram, and we are done with rectangle. So we meet in the next tutorial.